Well, how's it going, YouTubers? Hopefully everybody's doing pretty good in YouTube land. Thanks for watching and stopping by on my channel. Well, there's the Trailblazer. Going to be my winter driver, and she looks really good. Rides like a Cadillac, I'm telling you. A couple $100 into this thing, and I think it's going to be pretty good for the winter. Although I do have the 4Runner. Not sure what I'm going to do with it, but I've had a couple of people want to buy it off me already. So anyway, what we're going to do, finally got my lift gate supports. $15 free shipping on eBay. Boy, you gotta love eBay. And these here on the main gate is okay. The ones that are bad are on the window here. And you can see one's already missing. I took it off. This thing will not even stay up. It's pretty heavy, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do this. This is pretty easy to do. Unless you're a lady and you don't have any help, well, you can do this. Pretty easy to do. I'll show you how to do it. So what I'm going to do is get a broom or something and kind of support that window for now. All right, for me, I got a broom here kind of supporting the window. Hey, you got to do what you got to do. Unless you got a friend that can help you hold this window up, that's the way to go. Now, while you're in here, if you have a little bit of rust like this and dirt, take a little brush and clean some of that off. And maybe spray a little bit of white lithium grease on it, and that's what we're going to do real quick since you're already here and I'm here. Because sometimes these break off. They can be a problem on this glass. So I'll do a better job a little bit later, but I just wanted to show you for video purposes. Spray a little grease on these because you got a hinge here that double duty. It works this glass and also this lift gate, and these sometimes can break loose from the lift gate, so it won't hurt to put a little grease on there. And like I said, I'll do a better job a little bit later. Let's kind of clean this up. We'll spray some lithium grease in here. If yours is not all rusty like this, don't worry about it. But if you live in the Northeast like I do, you probably have some issues. So here's our white lithium grease. Just spray a little bit in there. Like I said, it won't hurt a thing. Definitely keep the rust down. There we go. Alright, so I don't know if you ever notice when you buy a new car, you often see this white grease on door hinges and so forth. This is the same stuff they do at the factory. They just kind of grease it up so it doesn't rust and squeak. So, alright, so we're good there. Clean that off. And while you're at it, see those hinges right there? Go ahead and spray some grease on those. It'll make your door open and close a little bit easier. All right, so there we go. All right, didn't want to get sidetracked, but that's pretty important. I'll clean that up a little bit later. So here are our new lift gates. The one on this side here on a previous video, I could not open this. It was jammed up. This silver part was shoved clear up in here, and it would not allow me to open the gate. I have a video on how to do that. So in order to take these off, what you got to do is get a little screwdriver like this and just kind of get in here and pull up on this little anchor pin right here. And when you do that, this will pop up and this will allow you to release this. So do one at a time. Don't take them both out and try to replace these. So when you get your new ones, they're ready to pop on there. They have a little clip there, just like those do. Actually, these are designed just a little bit different there, but all we got to do is put this on the top like this, push it in. There's that one. And come down here on the bottom and put this in. Sorry to bore you guys with this stuff, but you know, it's got to be done. And that's on there pretty good. And that's on there pretty good. And now we'll do this side over here. Now what I have to do is grab my little screwdriver and go ahead and pop this off here. Doesn't really matter which one you do first. If you have somebody that can help you, it does make it a little bit easier. Let's go ahead and get this top one off right here. I may have to set the camera down in order to see where that's at, but I'll go ahead and get this one out. I think that one's out. Let's see. Oops, there we go. Hopefully you can see that. And now we're going to take this off up here. I'm going to have to kind of sit the camera down. Actually, the camera's focusing. I can see it through the camera lens better than I can out here. So, go ahead and get this off. Let me set the camera down and do this real quick. All right, there we go. There we go. And you can see these things are pretty much trashed. We'll get our new one here. And I'm shooting this on my cell phone, so I apologize if it goes out of focus. Let me see if I can focus it there. All right. And we'll put this one on real quick. Pop that on there. Come on, camera. Gee. And we'll do the bottom one here real quick. Put this one on. All you gotta do is push on it like this. And you don't have to worry about these clips or anything. They self-lock. And now we'll go ahead and pop this broom out of here. And voila, check that out. Our tailgate, glass gate stays open now. Now we'll push down on it. Sweet. And now we got a nice tailgate here. We don't have to worry about holding it up. It goes right up just like it should. So there you go. So really all you need to do, all you really need is what I'm trying to say is a small screwdriver like I had here. And something to kind of hold that glass up a little bit. So you can do it. And basically, you'll have your glass working again. Because it's nice just to open the glass instead of opening the whole gate. This is what this is designed for. And we are good to go. So there you go. Thought I'd make a quick video for you guys. If you have a Trailblazer, go online. You can get those things for $15, $20. Free shipping. I typically buy all my stuff on eBay anyway, just because it's cheaper. And there's a nice look at the front of the Trailblazer. It's looking good. Looking really good. I'm going to put me a light bar on the top and bring it up a little bit, put some 32s on it. But other than that, so far she's pretty good, and I'm happy with it. So winter will tell. So until my next video, guys, thanks for watching. And I'll see you guys later.